Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, good day, ma'am. I'm Sheila Latina, 33 years old, solo parent with two kids, 6 years old and 5 years old, high school graduate.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
For my family needs and my children school fees.
Do you have working experience abroad as a
Yes.
domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. I have 2 years experience in Saudi Arabia.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
I will taking care of a newborn baby and children 7 years old and 79 years old elders.
Can you tell us how can you take care of them?
I will bathing, feeding, and change diaper, and then I will give them food, and I will bathing and play in sometimes, and then for my elder, I taking care of my elders. I will give them medicine and then walking outside.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Mom, please.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Honest and trustworthy and good helper, sir.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Please select me, ma'am, because I am trustworthy and honest and good helper and friendly. And thank you, ma'am. See you soon in Hong Kong.